Okay, guys. So we'll start. So how are you all today? Everyone fine? Ready to start to learn mathematics? Hopefully a mindset there. Okay. Must have the mindset. Mindset very important. Okay. So we'll start with this as recap. Okay, Form 5, Bab 5. Okay, so today the plan is we will cover enlargement, pembesaran. Kita akan habis semua contoh, all the examples to train you all how to draw enlargement. Macam mana nak lukis pembesaran. That's our main aim today. Next week, kita akan belajar gabungan transformasi, combine transformation. So this is the last part before you all go to exam type question. Soalan peperiksaan dia akan fokus pada gabungan transformasi. Okay, this one is just the basic to help you in your 5.3. Alright, enlargement is bad. Okay, make sure you focus today lesson. We will discuss law of question on this. Okay, before we start the enlargement, let us recap last week lesson. Okay, so the first question. Bolehkah kamu tentukan objek geometri ini serupa ke tak? Are they similar? Let's say first example, part A. Are they similar? Yes or no? Yang lain? Serupa ke tak objek-objek ni? Okay, sama-sama lagi. Soalan A. Are they similar? Try and see. Make sure you understand the concept. Okay, the answer is yes, similar. Okay, dia adalah serupa. Reason guys, apa sebab dia serupa? Can you all give me some reason? Always you must have a reason. Kena ada sebab. So anyone can give me the reason? Sebab dia serupa. Bukan yang tu sahaja. Others? What is the reason? Yeah, but I try to explain in Malay also. Saya cuba terangkan dalam BM because ada yang ambil BM kat sini. Okay guys, so what is the reason? It is similar. Mengapa dia serupa? Bagi sebab. For those take English, you answer in English. Why is it similar? Mengapa dia serupa? More specific, same angle refer to which angle? Same size. Okay. Actually not really same size, you know. Size dia tak sama. You can see carefully guys. You know why the size is tak sama? Yes. Can you see this guys? Tengok sudut dia. Sudut dia berbeza. Is different angle. Means that the object is changing size. Dia berubah size. Yes, kedua-dua tu segitiga sudut tegak. Tapi size dia berbeza. The size is slightly different. Alright? So basically, you can compare the length, panjang, dan juga sudut, angle, to determine whether it's similar or not. Similar mean they must have same ratio. Kena ada nisbah sama. Dari segi sudut, dari segi panjang. Okay, in terms of angle and size. Then you can call it similar. Okay, so guys, cuba fikir. Okay, don't need. So, tak perlu yang tu. This one is similar only. Okay guys, can you all accept? Boleh terima? Dia adalah serupa? Can Okay, very good. Okay, second example. Adakah mereka serupa? Soalan B. Are they similar? Okay, this one quite obvious. Kamu boleh nampak. Okay, so why not similar? Okay, very good. Angle. Can anyone tell me sudut yang ni berapa? Apa nilai dia? What's the value? Yes, 60. Correct. Okay, 60 darjah. Why is it 60 guys? Mengapa 60 darjah? Give me a reason. This one. Why you get 60? Yes, same side. Okay guys, bila kamu nampak tanda macam ni, if you see symbol like this, is same side. Okay, segitiga sisi sama. Yes, 180 divided by 3. So 60 darjah. Okay, so this one is not similar. Tidak serupa. Okay, you can compare and see. This angle, sudut ni akan jadi 80 darjah. Sudut ni adalah 60 darjah. So guys, you compare and see. Is the ratio equal? Adakah nisbah sama antara dua-dua sudut ni? Mesti tak sama lah. It's not equal. So that's why tidak serupa. Not similar. Understand? So over here, you cannot compare the length. Kamu tak boleh bandingkan panjang sebab kamu tak ada info tentang panjang yang ni. We don't know. Yang ni kamu tahulah 5. Tapi panjang lain kita tak tahu. We don't know the rest of the length. So you have to compare angle. Kalau tak ada panjang, kamu bandingkan sudut. Macam tu. Alright? If you have the length, then you compare direct the length. Okay? So part C, can anyone try? Are they similar? Adakah mereka serupa? Okay, very good. Okay, this one also not similar. Tidak serupa. Okay, so this one you can compare the length. Kamu boleh bandingkan panjang. Okay guys, so how do I compare the length here? See carefully ya. 9 compare with 15. 9 kamu bandingkan dengan 15. Can you all imagine these two are the same side? Boleh tak kamu bayangkan kedua-dua sisi ni sepadan? Yes or no? Try to respond. You must flip. Kamu kena pantulkan objek ni. Bila pantulkan, kamu akan dapat yang ni. Can imagine guys? Boleh bayangkan? Can Okay. Make sure your imagination skill good. Okay, kena bayangkan. Alright? So 9 ni akan jadi 15 bila kamu pantulkan. Okay, reflection. Lepas tu dia besarkan, enlargement. Alright? So you check and see. This one, yang ni dia akan sama dengan yang ni. This one. So guys, compare and see. Are the ratio equal? Adakah nisbah sama? 10 and 6, 9 and 15. Adakah nisbah dia sama? Respon. Kamu bandingkan 15 dengan 9, 10 dengan 6. Do they have a common ratio? Adakah kamu ada nisbah serupa? Yes, wait, let me check and see. Oh, okay. In this case got, but you have to check everything. Kamu kena lihat semua. Okay, so if you check this one, this one over here. Okay, kalau kamu tengok, let me see ya, 9. Okay, so sudut ni dia sama dengan yang ni. Okay, tapi kalau kamu lihat, dia kena lalui pantulan. Am I right? You must go to reflection. So if you have reflection, right? Kalau kamu ada pantulan, basically dia tak sama. It won't be the same. Okay, it's not similar. Because if you compare the angle, dia takkan sama. Sudut tak sama. Alright? Can you all see that? The angle won't be the same one. Okay, although you cannot find the angle here, but the angle won't be the same. Dia takkan sama. Alright? So that's why it's not similar. In terms of length, yes, they are similar. Dari segi panjang dia serupa. Tapi dari sudut, dia tak serupa. Okay, in terms of angle. Alright guys? Sudut. Angle is sudut. In Bian. Okay? So that's why not similar. Okay? So always remember, check panjang, check sudut. Kalau dua-dua sama nisbah dia, baru dia serupa. Itu adalah cara. Check the ratio. Yes. Okay, then only you can check whether similar or not. Okay? So now we go part D. Okay, so for part D, similar or not? Adakah mereka serupa? You have to check every single thing. Same ratio means that they have a common value, like scale factor. Do you all understand scale factor, guys? Factor scala, you take image over object, right? For all the lengths. So that is the meaning of ratio, nisbah. The value you get after you take image bahagi object. Itu adalah nisbah. So setiap sisi yang sepadan, dia kena ada nisbah yang sama. Alright? They must have same ratio. Baru dia serupa. Understand? So similar means same ratio of image divided by object. Okay. The rest for question D, is it similar or not? Yang lain, adakah dia serupa? Check and see carefully. Jangan bandingkan saiz tau. Walaupun saiz berbeza, dia masih boleh serupa. Even different size is still similar, but you must check the ratio. Tengok nisbah. Okay, so the correct answer is yes, similar, guys. Okay, so for those that say not similar, tidak serupa, cuba kamu tengok, saya pantulkan, I reflect, you will get this image. Do you all agree with me? Bila kamu pantulkan atas garis menegak, kamu akan dapat yang di sebelah kanan. Correct? So now you check and see, guys, which value to compare. 12 compare with 8. So ratio is 1.5. Okay, nisbah dia 1.5. Okay, check some more. Okay, 9.3, 6.2. Adakah nisbah 1.5? Yes, also 1.5. So already two side you check already. So check lagi. This one is 4.5. 4.5 bahagi 3. 1.5 juga. Three side already. Okay, this one is 3. Okay, 4.5 bahagi 3 juga 1.5. So guys, all the four side, keempat-empat sisi ada nisbah sama. Same ratio of side. So means that they are similar. Mereka adalah serupa. Sudut pun sama. Kamu lihat this sudut over here. 100, 100 selepas pantulan. Can you all get it? So that's why the answer is similar. So make sure you check all the four side. Kadang-kadang dua daripada sisi tu akan ada nisbah serupa. Two of it will have a common ratio. The other two, it never satisfy. Dia tak patuhi. So all the four must satisfy the common ratio. Then only we can call similar. Alright, guys? Can you all understand? Clear? Can comment a bit if you're clear? Okay, Alright. So make sure you understand. Do you mean every sides must have? Yes, correct. You compare the corresponding sides. Kamu bandingkan sisi yang sepadan. That is the concept. Understand? Like how I show you just now. You must imagine a bit lah. Like you reflect this, you get this object. Then you compare the similar side. Alright? Okay, so we go on to the next one. Okay, guys. Can you all try and see? Antara semua objek ni, manakah pasangan yang serupa? Which one is the similar pair? Can you all comment? Berdasarkan penglihatan sahaja. Only look and tell the answer. Tak perlu kira. Okay, D and F. Okay, D and F. Yes, betul. Lagi? B and G. B and G. Okay, one more. Satu lagi. Ada satu lagi pasangan. A and I. Okay, very good. Yes. So you all understand lah? Boleh faham. Okay, so the answer is B and G, and then D and F, A and I. Okay, anyone struggle here? Siapa-siapa tak faham macam mana dapat jawapan ni? Who like don't understand how to get the answer? Please comment. Don't silent over there. If you silent, then I don't know, you don't know. Okay. So basically, what you must do here is, okay, chill, slowly. Okay, B and G first. Okay, guys, you see B and G. Check and see. Are they the similar shape? For those that say don't understand. For those understand already, kamu steady. Relax kat situ dulu. Untuk yang faham. Now for those don't understand, yang tak faham. Okay, guys, B and G. Are the shapes similar? Yes, of course similar. They are trapezium. Am I right? Don't see the size. See the shape. Shape is trapezium. Okay. So second thing, can you all compare this one and this one? 4 unit, 3 unit. Okay, this is the first side. 4 unit, 3 unit. 5 unit, 6 unit, 5 unit. Okay, guys, you compare all the side here. If you compare and see, this one is not 5 unit. This one is 4.5. Okay, you have to see carefully here. This one over here. This one is half, setengah daripada si segi 4 sama. So this is 4.5. Okay, so if you check all the ratio, kamu lihat semua nisbah dia akan sama. They will all have the same ratio. Okay, this one is 4, this is 3, this is 4, this is 3. So you press calculator, guys. 6 divide 4.5, you get 1.333. Am I right? Then you press and see. 4 divide 3, 4 bagi 3, masih sama. Same ratio. So means that they are similar. Do you all understand? For those that just now say don't understand, B and G, nisbah dia sama. This is the concept to determine whether similar or not similar. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so for the other pairs, how about C and H? Okay, let me check and see. C and H. In this case, okay, you compare the length again. Let me see. Okay. So C to H, right? No. Okay. So C to H, basically you reflect. Okay, kamu pantulkan. Do you all understand that? If you reflect C, you will get H. Correct? So this is the concept. So when you reflect, right, you see this one. This length is 4. Panjang dia 4. This length is 3. Correct? Now you check and see, yeah? This one. This one is 6. Panjang 6. This one, panjang is 4. So guys, compare and see. Bandingkan nisbah dia. 4 compare with 3. 6 compare with 4. Do they have same ratio? Adakah nisbah sama? Yes or no? Can you all try and see? For those don't understand just now. Nisbah tak sama kan? It's not the same ratio. So means that they are not similar. Tak serupa. That's why you must check the ratio. Alright? So just now people ask C and E. Hopefully you understand. Okay? So yeah. Okay, so for the rest, D and F, you can check and see. This one is rotation, putaran. Can you all see it? You rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. Okay, 90 darjah ikut pusingan jam. You will get F. So you compare and see the ratio. Okay, so this one is 4, this is 3, this one is 2, and then this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait guys, let me check and see. Okay, we compare the straight one, easier. Compare this, yang ni. Okay, so you check and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9. 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, this is 9 and 6. You compare the rest also. This one is 1, 2, 3. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, over here, right? If you check and see, the ratio like not so equal, right? Because this one is diagram, Raja. So sometimes it depends how you count. Okay, so for D and F, actually in real fact, they are equal. Okay, congruent. Sorry, similar, serupa. Alright, but in the diagram, right, it seems like a bit misleading lah. Dia tak clear sangat. Kenapa dia congruent? Sebab nisbah macam tak sama. But actually, it is equal lah. Okay, dia adalah sama. Okay, guys. So D and F is also correct. Okay, and then A and I, this one is you can check the length also. Okay, kira panjang dia. Okay, so this one is 2, this one is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, and then you compare this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's better, right? Kamu ukur semua panjang ni guna pembaris. Use ruler to measure. Because when I count, right, it's not so accurate. Dia tak tepat sangat. When you use ruler, you can see more accurate. Okay, this one is 3. Okay, guys. So can you see this? 2 compare with 4. Scale factor 2. Okay, faktor skala dia 2. 6 compare with 3. Faktor skala dia 2. Can you all see that? So that's why A and I also similar. They adalah serupa. Understand, guys? Can you get the question? Can respond a bit? So silent. Okay, ah? Boleh dapat. Okay, very good. Okay, next one. Okay, so for this question, tak perlu kira. Kamu hanya perlu ukur setiap sisi untuk soalan ni guna pembaris. Why? Why GG? What do you mean? Anything happen? Can show some example. Wait, guys. Sure, can show me some example for this type of question, like the enlargement one. Okay, this is the example. We're going to discuss now. So focus lah. Now we're going to talk about this. Okay. So guys, they tell you R prime is the image. Okay, R prime adalah image bagi soalan ni. So now guys, how do we determine or describe the enlargement? Macam mana nak huraikan? Okay, pembesaran. Okay guys, so first thing, what must we find? Can you all comment? PK, what is PK? Oh, scale factor, okay. P is what? I don't understand. Not sure. K is scale factor lah. K factor skala. Okay guys, one more thing. We must find you got symbol lah, center of enlargement. Okay, correct. Okay, pusat pembesaran and also scale factor. So you got two things. Okay, first thing, we do the easy one, scale factor. So can you all tell me for this example, apa faktor skala dia? What is the scale factor? Okay. Okay, so the answer is 3. So this one is 6, this one is 2. So the answer is 3. Understand? Always, right guys, when you find scale factor, cuba bandingkan sisi yang menegak atau melintang. Lebih senang berbanding dengan sisi yang condong. Always compare the horizontal or vertical line because it's easier for you to count. If you compare the slanted line, right, it's a bit difficult because you need to use ruler to measure. Kena guna pembaris. Alright? So the answer is 3. I'm only afraid of inverse. Oh, that one is still can do. No problem. You must imagine how they flip it. You must check the corresponding points. Then you can answer the question. Okay? Never mind. We focus this one first. Okay. So now guys, we must determine the center. Kita kena tahu pusat. So how do we get the center guys? from last week lesson. Macam mana dapat pusat pembesaran. Very good. Okay, we are going to draw lines. Must use ruler, guys. Kena guna pembaris. But over here, I won't use ruler lah because I don't have. Okay, so I try and see. Okay, so basically, we connect the corresponding points on object and image. Kita hubungkan semua. The drawing might be a bit ugly, guys, because I don't have ruler. Okay, guys. So can you see all these lines? Semua garis ni, dia ada satu titik persilangan serupa. They all have a common intersection, which is at negative. Wait, not so accurate. Wait, let me draw again. My line not so straight. You all can try to draw and see also, to see whether you all can get. Okay, one. Wow, draw straight line is so hard. Okay. Yeah, must use ruler. But on iPad, there is no ruler. So yeah, just bear with me. Okay. And then one more. Okay, guys. Wait, not so nice. Can you see, guys? There is a common intersection point. Dia ada satu titik persilangan yang serupa over here. So this is the, oh, can but I never discover yet lah, because this topic is the only one I need to draw. So that's why I just try to draw lah with freehand. Okay, guys. So can you see the common intersection point? Ini adalah titik persilangan dia. So this is the center. Ini adalah pusat pembesaran. Okay. So now, guys, second question. How change point? What do you mean change point? I don't understand. Change point. Oh, just now I didn't draw accurate. If you use ruler, right, guys, no need to change point one. This one I freehand. Saya guna lakaran bebas. In your exam, you use ruler, guna pembaris. You will get one shot the answer. So no need to change point. Okay? This one I changed because my line is not so straight. Garis saya tak lurus sangat. So yeah. Okay, guys. So the final answer you should get is negative 44. You all must try out on the paper. Kena cuba atas kertas. Baru kamu boleh dapat when I'm teaching. Tengok pada titik persilangan. Yes. Titik persilangan tu adalah pusat pembesaran kamu. Center of enlargement. Okay. So now, guys, I ask you all, is this positive or negative enlargement? Mana satu? Pembesaran positif atau pembesaran negatif? Kalau kedudukan macam ni, the position is like this now. So what type of enlargement? Yes, this is a positive enlargement, pembesaran positif. Okay, if negative, guys, kalau saya nak jadikan soalan ni pembesaran negatif, what should I change? Saya kena tukar apa? Tell me one modification. Satu pengubah suaian. Of course, the K. I mean, in term of the diagram, dari segi wajah. Okay, can? If you say flip it, all right. Okay, why is positive? Because kedudukan dia macam ni. Guys, last week lesson. Still remember this? Masih ingat? For those that came last week. Okay, so last week kita belajar yang ni. Okay, the position. Okay, bila kamu ada kedudukan macam ni, dia akan positif. Kalau lain, dia negatif. Yes. Guys, flip means is like this. This is the meaning of flip. Flip means is like different orientation. Orientasi objek dan image tu berbeza. Tapi kamu lihat pembesaran positif kan, orientasi dia sama. Kalau dia tunjuk ke atas objek, image pun tunjuk ke atas. Tapi untuk pembesaran negatif, image tunjuk ke bawah, objek tunjuk ke atas. Dia macam pantulan. Boleh faham? Okay, this is the concept. Reflection. Yeah. Okay, guys? So, yeah. This is what you must understand for positive or negative. Another method is you see the center. Kamu lihat pusat dia, guys. If the center is at the most left or most right, paling kiri atau paling kanan, pusat dia tu, maksud dia pembesaran positif, positive enlargement. If your center is at the middle, kat tengah-tengah, like this is negative enlargement, pembesaran negatif. So, kamu ada dua cara. Tengok orientasi objek dan image, look at the position or orientation of object and image. Second, you check the center, lihat pusat dia kat mana. Everyone understand? Make sure you consider negative and positive. Don't just assume everything is positive. Okay, boleh jadi negatif juga. So you must check and see. Alright? So, yeah. Okay, so basically, how to describe? You will say enlargement, pembesaran, center. Okay, enlargement no need lah. Enlargement kita tahu. Okay, so you just say center, negative 4, yes. And then scale factor, faktor skala 3. Okay, so this is how we answer. You can mention enlargement also. Kamu boleh kata pembesaran juga. Because soalan dalam exam, dia takkan keluar yang ni sahaja. They won't come out this one only. They will make a full question, combine transformation, gabungan transformasi. So that's why in that case, kamu kena specify the word enlargement. You must mention this word. Okay, if they combine, let's say, rotation dan enlargement, dia combine dua-dua. So, kamu kena mention enlargement. Tapi untuk soalan macam ni, dia pasti enlargement lah. Okay, it's confirm 100% enlargement, pembesaran. Okay, guys? Can get it? Boleh dapat? Okay. Alright. Question B. This one very easy. Can you all tell me where is the center? Mana pusat? Tell me the coordinate. Yang ni tak perlu lukis garis pun. No need to draw line. You can get the answer. Very good. Can you all see, guys? This is your center of enlargement. Pusat pembesaran. If you don't believe me, you try and see. You connect all the line. Satu garis. Dua garis. Tiga garis. Can you all see it, guys? I connect all the 4 points only. How do I know? There, I prove it to you already. Basically, right, guys, kalau kamu nampak objek dalam image, if the object is inside the image, right, the center will usually be at the side, kat penjuru. This is one of the tips I can give you. If the orientation is like this, kalau kedudukan dia macam ni, the center will always be at the side corner. Okay, if the question come out like this, kalau objek tu kat tengah-tengah macam ni, let's say the object is like this, then the center maybe will be in the middle. Dia akan kat tengah-tengah. It depends. That's why you must draw the lines. Kena lukis garis untuk kenal pasti. Okay, guys? Can you all understand? So, scale factor, faktor skala kat sini berapa? What will be your scale factor? Yes. Okay, correct. Alright, so the answer is 2. So center, the coordinate is 6, -5, and then scale factor is 2. Yes, of course. Guys, do you think it's logic to have 2 center of enlargement? Adakah dia boleh tak? Ada 2 pusat pembesaran. Logic guys? No lah. Unless you got two separate diagram lah. Kalau kamu ada dua raja berasingan, then you can have two center. But if only one diagram, satu raja, like this, only one center. Definitely 100%. Okay? So, yeah. Okay guys, for this one, can you all try and see? This one, you must draw the line. Kena lukis raja. Kena lukis garis untuk tahu pusat. Alright? Reflection, rotation. Still one center. You cannot have more than one center. Impossible. Let me check and see. I think it's under 70 something, if not mistaken, or 100 something. Oh, got it, Daddy. Okay, good. Anyone got the answer? Pusat pembesaran dia? 5-2. Okay, the rest? Yang lain? Do you all get 5-2? This one is totally 100% on you, guys. You must try on your own. Because if you don't try, you won't get the feeling. Kamu takkan dapat perasan how to draw the line. It is technical. Okay? So guys, one clue I can give you, right? You look over here, guys. Ini adalah satu garis. So guys, I can say that the center of enlargement, right? Pusat pembesaran definitely will be one of these points. Dia akan salah satu dari titik ni. Do you all understand? Because center of enlargement is the intersection point of all the line. Dia adalah titik persilangan semua garis. So kalau satu garis dah mendata, maksudnya pusat dia pasti kat sini. Kalau kamu tak dapat kat sini, maksudnya lukisan salah. Okay? Definitely your center will be either one of these coordinate because already one line dah tunjuk kat kamu. Alright? So, yeah. Tapi bukan semua case macam ni lah. Alright? Must I show? Yes. If you can see directly, better still lah. But guys, I ask you honestly, can you all see the center of enlargement directly without drawing any line? Boleh tak kamu lihat secara terus mana pusat dia tanpa lukis garis? Boleh ke tak? Can ah? Wow. Even I also cannot guys. Saya pun tak boleh tahu. I cannot. I must draw the line. Oh, so you have a special mind lah. Minda yang, what to say? Imaginative mind. Just now that question. Which one? Just now that question. Can you send back? Oh, number 2. You mean this one? So what about it? Saya akan hantar dalam group. I'll send the group. I can know directly. Yes. This kind of question, right guys? Kamu boleh tahu pusat dia secara terus. You can see the center directly. But you compare with this question. Can you see the center directly? Cannot, right? Yes. It's better you show. It's more accurate. Because it's part of your working. Jalan kerja. Can. Dotted also can. Straight also can. Dotted line, straight line, I think dua-dua pun boleh lah. Dia takkan sangat strict tentang yang tu. Okay? So, if you draw the line, this line over here. Okay, wait. I must be accurate. Okay. So, guys, can you all see the intersection point? So, this is your center of enlargement. Titik pembesaran. Get it? So, this is the concept. Okay. So, now, what is the scale factor? Apa faktor skala dia? Sama. Scale factor, faktor skala. Okay. Okay, yes. The answer is 1 over 2. Scale factor, yeah, guys. Pusat pembesaran. Okay. Scale factor is equal to image divided by object. Okay, image over object. Okay, so basically, kamu bandingkan panjang image dengan panjang object. Okay, so this one is 3, panjang image 3. Yes, this one panjang object 6. So the scale factor is half. Okay, can get it? For those Tanya just now. Okay, so scale factor, you should get half. Okay, so center pusat is 5, 2, and then scale factor is 2. Hey, sorry, scale factor is half. All right, mistake. I don't really understand which method. There is only one method, guys, to determine center of enlargement. Satu kaedah sahaja, like what I show here. Okay, distance from point. Better don't use this method. This is the official method shown in the textbook. Ini adalah kaedah rasmi. So follow the textbook method. Textbook never explain any other method. Okay, so yeah. Okay, guys. All right. This one. This question a bit special. Okay. So can you all tell first where is the center? Mana pusat dia? You must imagine, guys. This one. Kena bayangkan. Okay. The rest? Do you all get the center? Okay. So first of all, you must compare the similar points. Okay, guys. I label some points for you. You try and see. Can I ask you, this point, what number? Nombor apa untuk yang saya bulatkan? Yes, very good. The answer is 4. Okay, how about these guys? What number? Very good. Okay, the answer is 2. This one? Yes, 1. So this one is 3. So now, kamu hubungkanlah yang sama nombor. Just connect the line. Okay, so 1 and then 2. Okay, wait. Sometimes it's not so accurate. 2 and then 3 and then 1. So guys, can you see the center? 7, 4. Okay, 7, 4. That is your center of enlargement, pusat pembesaran kat sini. Okay? Yes. Scale factor must be negative, guys. Faktor skala kena negatif because object, center, image. Bila pusat kat tengah-tengah, if your center of enlargement is at the center, always negative. Add negative to your scale factor. Okay? So scale factor is 3 over 2. Okay, you can count and see. So center 7 over 4. 7, 4. And then scale factor, you should get negative. Just now, people ask question, can you send back? Because it go up already. I cannot scroll back. Okay, so do you all understand? Boleh faham how to get the center scale factor? For example, okay, so hopefully you all understand better. All right, so now let us look at 2A. Sometimes it's slightly difficult because when the question give you combined transformation, right? Gabungan transformasi. Kadang-kadang dia akan sedikit susah. Because combined transformation, right? You need to think of 2 transformation, 2 transformasi. Sekarang kita fokus 1 sahaja. So senang. Tapi peperiksaan tak keluar macam ni. Exam won't come like this. Exam will combine ilmu ni, this knowledge, with all your lower form basic to form the combined transformation. So if you notice, right, Rotation, reflection, translation, form 5 dia tak ajar. Betul? Mereka tak ajar yang lower form already. Means that they assume you know how to do. Kamu kena tahu macam mana nak buat putaran, pantolan, translasi. Okay, all of this kena tahu dah. Okay, so yeah. Okay guys, so now can you all tell me for this one, what is the scale factor? Apa faktor skala? This one a bit challenging, huh? Okay. Yes. Okay, the answer is 5/2. Okay, 5/2. Okay, so how you get 5/2? Can I explain a bit? What is your original values? 10 divided by 4. Yes, correct. Okay guys, so can you see that this is your image? Ini adalah panjang image dan this is your panjang object. This is your object length. Okay, how to see it? You must imagine a bit. This one is like an inclined plane. Guys, do you all understand the meaning of inclined plane? Sata condong. Okay, dia macam ni. Is something like this. But then, if you want to make it flat, right, it looks something like this. Can you imagine this, guys? Means that from like this, you push it down, become flat. So means that this one, dia akan ke bawah macam ni. It will come down. Panjang masih sama. So that's why the length of the image 10 cm. 10. Okay, and then object konsep sama. Yang ni datang ke bawah. So this one is 4 cm. Jadi faktor skala dia 10 bahagi 4. Okay, so you will get 5/2. Okay, center will be P. Okay, sudah ditanda untuk kamu. So you will get 5/2 and the center equal to P. Alright, understand? For part A, this one is more to daily life. Okay, soalan-soalan aplikasi harian. Because the shape, right, bentuk dia tu bukan bentuk yang biasa kamu nampak. It's not the common shape. Exam usually also won't ask like this. Okay, but it train you to see lah untuk bagi kamu latihan untuk lihat apa faktor skala. Okay, so can you all try and see part B, what is the scale factor? Apa faktor skala untuk yang ni? This one is easy. So anyone? Scale factor? What is your value? Yes, very good. 16 divided by 10. Okay, image bahagi object. So you will get 8/5. You can write 16/10, but better, right? You write as 8/5. Okay, because simplified form. Kamu bagi jawapan dalam bentuk teringkas. Okay, 8/5. Or you can put 1.6. Also can. 1.6. Alright. So center, what will be your center, guys, for this question? Very obvious, right? Yes, the answer is P. Okay, because you see all the line, semua garis, dia silang kat titik yang serupa. Common point of intersection. Based on textbook, it looks like it. But to be on the safe side, right, don't simply put symbol for center of enlargement. Better you write the coordinate. Coordinate is better. If you write coordinate, enough already. In terms of graph lah, because exam, they won't give you this kind of diagram. Peperiksaan takkan bagi macam ni. Sangat senang. Very easy. Exam, they will give you graph. Then, kamu kena tentukan pusat dari situ. Understand? So, better you state the coordinate. Coordinate tu lebih tepat berbanding P. Because P is general symbol arm. Okay, it can change. Alright? So, yeah. Okay, guys. Can you try this? What is your scale factor? Factor skala? Very good. Okay. Always remember image bahagi object. So scale factor is 1/4. Then your center is P. Yes. Okay. For scale factor, right, guys, faktor skala, kamu selalu boleh guna simbol K. K is the correct symbol. But for center of enlargement, usually it's better give coordinate. Kamu bagi coordinate. More safe. Alright? So, yeah. Okay. So now, guys, we are going to come to the part of seeing the steps. Okay, how to determine the center. Actually, I explained to you all already lah. This is the steps. Okay, I have been waiting. Chill. The real part is actually combined transformation, gabungan transformasi. But yeah, we just do lah. Okay, so first step, we always determine the center, pusat pembesaran. Second step, scale factor, faktor skala. Third step is like what I tell you. Kamu kena sambungkan titik yang sepadan atas objek dan image. Connect the corresponding point. I don't want to rush you all. I want to like properly teach enlargement with a lot of example. Then only I go combine. That's the thing. I feel like it's better to give more exercise to you all. Am I right, guys? You all want more exercise. Am I right? Rather than I teach so fast and complete everything. That's why you see my teaching is like slow. Do you all see? Saya ajar perlahan kan because I do a lot of example. Yes, definitely can finish by this month, chapter 5, because we got 2 more weeks. Next week, combined transformation. Last week, revision, chapter 5. Then, chapter 6. Okay, that's the plan. Next month is chapter 6. Tessellation, I will combine with combined transformation. Very short only. Okay. So, fourth step, kita kena lukis image dan objek ikut faktor skala. Trigonometry, how many of you here take NMATs? Can you share who take NMATs over here? God, huh? Okay, if God means the chapter 6, right, is easy already for you. Am I right? For those take NMATs, chapter 6, no problem. Correct? You can skip that chapter already because everything you cover in NMATs already. But I still need to teach because there are people who only take maths here. Okay, saya hanya ambil matematik, so I must ajar juga. Walaupun konten sama. Alright? So yeah. Wait, just now someone got asked question. Oh, just now you asked the extra class. Extra class focus on what? What is your interest that you want me to discuss? Trial paper, is it? Syllabus or doing question? See first, I'll try to plan and see. Weekend, right? Kalau extra class, kamu semua suka weekend, right? Saturday, Sunday. Lower form. Lower form. Trial paper lah. Trial paper can help. Because trial paper got lower form. Any day. I try and see lah. Okay, usually I plan to discuss SPM question with you all. SPM actual question. Okay, soalan sebenar. Like one of the days saya buat extra class, right? 2 of it. I discuss SPM question with you all. So maybe I will continue with the recent years. Okay, tahun-tahun akan datang. See first lah. Try to plan and see. Okay, guys. So from this question, can you determine the object and image? Which one is the object? Which one is the image? Based on the scale factor. Berdasarkan faktor skala. Okay. B is image. A is object. Yes. Okay, because smaller than 1. Kalau faktor skala lebih kecil dari 1, maksudnya image lebih kecil dari objek. Okay, the image is smaller if you are less than 1. Okay, so easy. Second one, which one is object? which one is image? Actually, no need to count. This one is direct answer. This one no need calculation. Okay, our image, got two answer already. Okay guys, don't be scared of the negative. Don't look at the negative. Jangan lihat simbol negative. Look at the value only. Then you will get the answer. Yes. Okay, S is the image. Because S lebih besar dari R. So, faktor skala sama dengan image bagi objek. So, kalau kamu nak faktor skala lebih besar dari satu, image must be bigger than object. So, that's why S is the answer. S is image. Okay? So, don't care about the negative. Negative is because your center is in the middle. Pusat pembesaran antara image dan objek. Okay? This one is object, center, image. OCI. Okay? Yeah, negative you add by yourself. Correct. Okay, guys? Are you all clear? So this one is like that. Okay, so you can see over here. Okay, so now we are going to draw. Okay, this one. Guys, I asked everyone here lah. Hopefully you can answer me honestly. Jawab secara jujur. Is my pace okay? Adakah kelajuan okay? Is it too fast? Is it too slow? Just okay, huh? Perfect. Okay, so I continue like that. All right. It's sometimes good to ask you all because you all are the ones learning. Am I right? So sometimes when I teach, sometimes it will go fast because I feel like you all should understand, but sometimes you all don't understand. So yeah, I need to check with you all. Okay, so this one, scale factor 2, they ask you to draw the image, Lucky's image. Okay, so if you have scale factor 2, image or object, which one is bigger? Mana lebih besar? Kalau faktor skala 2. Yes, image lebih besar. Okay, so means that kamu kena ganda 2 times every side by 2. So this one is 2, so image you will get 4. This one is 2, so image 4. Everything is actually 2 lah. Okay, semua adalah 2. So you just times 2. So your image is 4. Alright, so how to draw? Macam mana lukis? Just now, we draw from image and object, get center. Tapi sekarang, kita lukis pusat, object, kita nak dapat image. So now how? So basically, it's the same step. You draw the lines. Okay, so it just, you try to connect and see. Actually, over here, I cannot draw perfect lah because it's not straight enough. Kamu kena lukis atas kertas. Okay, so the lines, something like this. So final image, you should get like this. Okay, maybe I try to draw here. Saya lukis kat bawah. Lebih senang nak nampak. Okay, so if you check and see, right? Everything times 2. So guys, can you see? This one is 4. This is 4. 4. 4. Can you all see? So this is how your image must be. Kena ganda 2. Okay, and kena lalui semua garis. You must pass through the lines. So one line here, and also one line here. Alright, so your image, right, is in the middle. Dia kat tengah-tengah antara semua garis ni. I use different color. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see it, guys? That is the difference. The line will help you to construct the image. Garis tu akan bantu kamu lukis image. So image tu kena antara garis. It must be in the middle. Alright? Yes, darab 2. Sebab skala faktor, faktor skala kamu 2. Okay? Boleh dapat? So this is your final answer. Make sure use ruler. Okay, kena guna pembaris bila lukis. Tak boleh freehand. Okay? So, yeah. Okay. So for this one, guys, object or image bigger? Mana lebih besar? Remember, jangan lihat simbol negatif. Lihat magnitude saja. Yes, objek lebih besar. Correct. Okay, so negative because pusat kat sini. So guys, try to estimate and see. Image kamu, dia kat sini atau kat sini? Satu atau dua? Yes, on the right hand side. Correct. Okay, means you all understand lah. Kamu faham. Okay, so now kamu kena lukis garis sahaja. Alright. So can you see guys? Dia macam pantulan. It's a reflection. You flip. So kamu akan dapat macam tu. Okay. So you can draw the line. Kamu boleh lukis garis sebagai bantuan untuk kamu dapatkan image tu. Okay, and also use the factor skala 3/4. So kalau ni 4, so kali 4 lah. So kamu dapat 3. So panjang ni adalah 3. Alright. So kamu nampak kat sini kan, if you refer here, it is at the middle point. Okay, so this one is 3. Okay, kamu kena follow garis. Just follow the line. Although you don't get, wait. Maybe you don't get perfect 3 like this. Am I right? Because 3 mean that kamu akan lukis macam ni. Betul? Untuk 3. Tapi kat sini, 3 ni, dia tak lalui ketiga-tiga kotak besar. Dia lalui kat tengah-tengah. At the center. Because garis kamu macam ni. So, kamu kena ikut. Follow the line. Okay? The line will give the exact spacing. Dia akan bagi gap yang betul. Okay? Understand guys? Can get it? How to draw? Practice make perfect, you know. So you must practice all the question. Kena cuba. Okay, that's why I discuss with you all different type of question so that you all more familiar. Okay, so for this one, another type. Okay, so if you see half, object or image, mana lebih besar? Yes, object lebih besar. Correct. So yang ni senang. So object, okay, kamu kena lukis lah untuk tahu. You find out. So objek lebih besar. Sat. Oh, this one terbalik. They ask you to lukis the object. Kamu kena lukis object. So you must draw. This one is the image. Okay, so you must get back the object. Okay, so object. Untuk soalan ni, since the process reverse, right? Object tu akan lebih besar. Okay, you will get a larger object. Can you all see it, guys? So this is your object. Dia akan dibesarkan. It'll be magnified. Okay? Can you all get it? How to draw the object? Any question? Again, you draw the lines. Kamu kena lukis semua garis yang menghubungkan setiap vertex bagi objek. Okay, you connect all the vertices. Then you will get the image. Sorry, you will get the object. Soalan pun confusing. Okay? Can you all get it? Respon sikit. Boleh ke tak? Can Okay. Make sure in exam you can do, you know. Because sometimes exam scenario different a bit. Okay? Alright. So if you see -3, object or image, which one bigger? Yes, image bigger. Okay, correct. So you will get something like this. Okay, this is your object. This is your image. Alright. So this one is negative because pusat kat tengah-tengah. Center of enlargement in the middle. Okay. So any problem with the drawing? Like any specific question you want to ask? Like the techniques or anything? Any question? Because next part, we are going to the formula di. Kita lihat rumus. Okay, until now, everyone clear? Hopefully clear lah. Okay, so now we are going to learn this formula. Okay guys, this formula very important, especially for gabungan transformasi. combine transformation, you will always use this formula. Okay, so do you need to memorize this? Adakah kena hafal yang ni? Yes or no? Do I need to memorize this formula? Yes, it's given. Dia diberi. So no need to memorize. Tak perlu hafal. Okay, just lihat kat depan. Okay, you will have this formula. But you must understand lah macam mana nak guna rumus ni. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so we can try a few questions. Macam mana apply? Okay, guys. So basically, formula is I equal to k square times object. Okay, so can you all tell me, first answer, what will you get? Faktor skala. K kuasa 2 tau. Is k square. Careful guys, k square. It's not k. Okay, so the rest, what will be your answer? Apa jawapan kamu untuk faktor skala? 9 is wrong, 9 is salah, guys. The answer is 3. Okay, the answer is 3. Jawapan adalah 3. Okay, because image 45 equal to k square times object. So you will get k equal to 3. K sama dengan 3. Okay guys, clear? Alright, next part. Can you all tell me what is the luas image? Area of your image for this one? This one easy. You can direct count. Press calculator. Oh, yeah, correct. Okay, so for B, you will get 147, 147. And then for C, you will get, let me see, 100 over 16. Okay, 6.25. Okay guys, does everyone get this answer? Semua dapat jawapan? Okay, so what if I tell you that one of these values is wrong? Kalau salah satu nilai ni adalah salah, siapa boleh bagi tahu saya? Which value is wrong? Think and see guys. There is something not correct. Sedikit salah. Which one? There is one value here not correct among these three. Okay, what is the not correct part? Can I explain? Yes. So the answer is yes. Guys, wake up, bangun. 3 bukan jawapan saja, okay? Bila kamu punca kuasa 9, dia boleh positif atau negatif. So make sure in exam, kamu bagi dua-dua jawapan. You must give 2 answer. Sebab kamu tak ada situasi kat sini. The question never give you situation. So dia boleh positif, dia boleh negatif. So you must give 2 values. Okay, remember guys, common mistake, kesilapan lazim. Alright? K berapa? Dia boleh jadi 2 nilai. Sama ada 3 atau negatif 3. Sebab punca kuasa 9, kamu akan dapat positif negatif. Okay? Yes. Nmax you modulus lah, correct. But this situation, we have to consider positive and also negative. Okay? So, yeah. Can you see guys? Textbook, lihat buku teks. Positive or negative. So you must give 2 answer. Okay, not only 1. Okay? So clear? Boleh apply rumus? Okay, so now we try. Oh, you mean like this? Can. Also can. You can write like this also can. 3 or negative 3 also can. Alright. So now we go to some question. Kita lihat soalan. Okay, guys. So the question is, find the scale factor of this enlargement. So can anyone tell what is the scale factor? AEFG image. So yang besar image, yang kecil object. Okay, so let's check and see. 36 divide 20. Yes. Okay, the scale factor is 9/5. 9 bahagi 5. Okay. So now they ask you luas trapezium. Was okay, correct. So what is the area for AEFG? Luas trapezium AEFG. Faktor skala kamu 9/5. So first step, what must you find, guys? What is the first thing I must find? Wait, let me check. Okay, soalan dah bagi info. Okay, so question give you yang ni 168. The shaded region is 168. Okay, so now it's a bit easier. So how to get, guys? Luas image seluruh yang ni macam mana kira? You have to make an assumption. Kamu kena buat anggapan. So apa anggapan dia? Anyone? How do I get the area of image? Don't say question not complete. Soalan dah lengkap. Oh, tengah buat. Okay. Guys, sometimes, right, when I pressure you all, right, to solve faster, you must take it as a challenge because in the exam, you have no time. Am I right? Maths and Maths exam memang tak ada masa. So that's why I keep on pressure. Buat lebih cepat. Train yourself to do faster. That is the thing you all must get lah. Okay. I got 2, 4, 3. Okay, let's check and see. Okay, let's see. 2, 4, 3. Wait, guys. Yes. Okay, the answer is 2, 4, 3. Correct. Okay, so how do we solve this? Okay, very simple. You must make assumption. Kamu kena buat anggapan. So, area of trapezium ABCD, let's say we call it L1. AEFG, L2. Okay, so they give you the shaded region, kawasan berlorek. So how do I find the shaded region? Total minus unshaded, correct? That is the concept we use. So this is what they use over here. Okay, so for the unshaded, how are we going to find the area for this trapezium? Okay, basically we are going to use the area of image equal to k square times object. Okay, so this is how they get the L1. Okay, L2 kita tak tahu, L1 kita tak tahu, but we know the scale factor. That is the concept. So you express L1 in terms of L2. Kamu ungkapkan L1 dalam sebutan L2. So that kamu boleh gantikan kat sini. When you substitute, you can solve the equation already. Selesaikan. So you will get L2 equal to 243. Boleh dapat, guys? Can you all get it? This question a bit higher level because you got unknown. Kamu ada banyak yang tak tahu. So you must know how to solve it. Okay, guys? Can respond a bit? Clear on it? How to get your answers? This question also very famous in exam. They like to ask. Okay? So, can I go on to the next question? Go on guys. Okay, 10 more minutes. 10 minit lagi. Okay, we try some question as ending lah. Okay, sebagai pengakhiran. Okay, guys. So for these questions, okay, before that, you have to identify the object and image. We recap lah what you learn for enlargement. Okay, so scale factor K sama dengan 5/2. So which one is object? Which one is image? Cuba bagi tahu. What will be your answer? Guys, before we start this, do you all want to play game? The favorite game that we played, boy team, girl team. Since we got 10 minutes, kita bagi kepada pasukan. No we divide to different team. Tengok mana pasukan lebih tinggi mata dia when you answer the question. It's okay. Try and see. Let me check and see. How many boy, how many girl? Okay, I think can. Can. 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys. For I just call your name lah. Okay, means that you are going to answer for your team. All right. If you answer correct, 1 point for your team. So boys team and girls team. Okay. So which team want to start first? Do you want to let girls start first or boys start first? Which one? You all decide. Boys, huh? Okay. So I call the boy first. Okay. So first boy, Bowen, can you try and see for 1A, which is the wow. I never asked the question also you answer D. Okay, wait let me check and see. Okay, yes, B image, A object. Okay, because factor skala is bigger, means that greater than 1, lebih besar dari 1. So this is the image and A is the object. Okay, based on your scale factor. Okay, next one. Okay, so now we go to the girls team. Okay, so girls team, let me see. Okay, Ain, boleh cuba untuk soalan B yang mana objek? Saya nak objek saja. Berdasarkan faktor skala kamu. So Ain, dah dapat jawapan? Mana adalah objek kamu? Okay, never mind. Mungkin dia like. Okay, next person. Alisa, girls team. Which one is your object based on the scale factor? M or N? Guys, when I call your name, you just say whether you're here or not. Because sometimes I scared my computer. So like, so Alisa, are you here? You just say yes first if you're here. Then I ask you. Okay, yes. Okay, yeah. M will be, I asked object lah. I asked object, not image. Maybe you never hear clearly. It's okay, it's okay. Still you get the point. Okay, yes. N will be the object. Okay, it's okay. So still tie lah. 1-1. One for boy team, one for girl team. Okay, so M is the image because scale factor greater than 1. N is the object. Okay, all right, back to boys team. Okay, this one I cannot ask you because it's drawing. So this one I help. Okay, so for this one, we want to draw the image. Okay, so based on the scale factor, which one will be bigger? Okay, maybe I ask this question to boys team. Okay, so for boys team, who is the next person? Davinesh, can you try and see? K equals to 1/3. Object or image bigger? Which one will have a larger size? Object or image? So Davinesh, are you here? Please respond if you're here. If not here, I skip to the next person. Okay, Karthik, can you try and see which one will be bigger based on the scale factor? 1/3. Image or object? Yes. Okay, means that you have to draw the image. So image will be smaller. Okay, so basically how to draw? Again, the same concept. You're going to connect the lines. Okay, so if you connect and see, you should get something like this. I try to draw because it's very not accurate over here. Okay, you will get something like this. Okay, guys, can you all see it? So you must connect all the lines one by one. I know mine is not so straight, but I try and see. Wait, let me check and see. Oh, I think next time I really need the app already, or else very difficult. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Sorry, guys, if it takes some time, but got chance for you to try out also. Okay, this time can already. Okay, guys, can you all see how to get the answer? So this is how you connect all the line. Then you will get your object. I will sometimes draw ahead, but this one I didn't draw ahead because textbook. So I just draw. Oh, notepad. All right. Maybe I try and see for the future one, combined transformation. Yeah. Maybe I not so used to it. That's why. Usually I like to draw on the paper, but I cannot show the paper to you all. Am I right? It must be on the screen only. So yeah. Okay. So for question B, K is -2. Okay, so back to girls team. Okay, so over here, question different. So Hana, adakah kamu kat sini? Boleh respon? Ya. Okay. So berdasarkan faktor skala kamu, objek kamu bagi tahu saya, dia kat kedudukan mana? Adakah dia kat sini atau kat sini? Nombor mana? Berdasarkan nilai faktor skala kamu. Yes, very good. Okay, so correct. So the answer is number 2. Okay, because pusat dia akan kena kat tengah-tengah untuk pembesaran skala negatif. Okay, so boleh lukis dari situ. Okay, so faktor skala 2, scale factor is 2. So setiap ganda 2 lah, kamu besarkan dia. Okay, so remember guys, kalau pusat kat tengah-tengah, the object is flip or the image is flip. Okay, dia akan macam pantulan atas cermin. Okay, so you have to imagine a bit macam mana dia berlaku. Okay, so you can draw and see. So you will get something like this. Surely for next lesson, I will modify already, guys. So don't worry. 1, 2, very primitive. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 2 and 5. Okay. Okay, guys. So your image should look something like this. Okay. So if you connect all the points, kamu sambungkan semua titik sepadan. Okay, you must know you should get the same common point. Okay, so this one connect, and then let me see. Okay, this one, connect. And then these two, connect, connect. Okay guys, can you see you have a common point? Kamu ada titik persilangan yang sama. So this is the image. Understand guys how to draw? So basically, right, how to know which one to draw first? Kamu selalu mula dengan garis. Start to draw your line first. Okay, when you draw your line, then only draw the image. Don't do like how I do. Jangan lukis image dulu, baru kamu lukis garis. Not so accurate. You draw the line first. Lukis garis dulu, baru lukis image. It's much easier. I don't think so. But usually, right, guys, exam, they won't ask this kind of question. Dia takkan tanya. Because exam, they will give you combined transformation. Means that they will already draw for you. Dia akan lukis siap-siap dah, usually. Then they'll ask you to describe what is the transformation. Apa yang sedang berlaku. Am I right? That is the common question that you all see. But sometimes, they might ask you to draw. So, mungkin mereka akan suruh kamu lukis juga. Okay? So I think the drawing, I'm going to leave it already. Okay. I think time already. So, yeah. Do you all understand, guys? For today's lesson? Does it help you all? Boleh dapat all the techniques of drawing already? Boleh ya? Wait, let me see. If you got any question, you can ask now. You mean exam seldom asked to draw? Yes, correct. Usually not so frequent. The most important part is combined transformation. That one you must know. All right? So yeah. Any other things you want to ask, guys? Yes. If they keluar soalan form 2, right? You'll actually combine with the form 5 already. Because the form 5 is the upgraded version, the latest version. Form 2 is to help you to understand the form 5 topic. So since you all in form 5 already, they will direct keluar from the form 5 topic. Because form 5 already include all the form 2 knowledge. But sometimes if got specific question, ada soalan spesifik dari tingkatan 2 that does not involve the form 5, they might ask. Okay? So yeah. Oh, extra class. Guys, everyone here, hopefully you all can respond lah on this one. Do you all need extra class besides Kaltik? Nak tak? Kelas tambahan. Okay. I see Eddie. Okay, I try and see. Maybe next week if can. Okay, this week not enough time already to prepare. Oh, Sunday cannot. Johor. Evening can lah. Because evening you all back from school already. Yeah, I try evening lah. Petang. Weekday, weekend. Usually weekend. 2 hours also can. I must follow the majority lah. Yeah. I'll try and see. We will discuss SPM paper, guys. If got extra class, it will be SPM paper only. All right? Because I want to like finish the discussion of all the actual SPM paper so that I can have siap-siap on my YouTube channel. Okay, one more thing. Yes, I will try that one also. I'll try to finish this chapter first. Okay, any one of you here got the SPM 2023 paper? Anyone here? Maths and Maths? Do you have the book for last year SPM? Because I don't have, I think it's out for sale already, if not mistaken. Not yet out. Didn't see? The rest? Bukan. Yang buku soalan sebenar SPM tu. Yakin publication. I think last SPM 2023. Ada tak? Because until 2022 saya ada, tapi 2023 saya tak ada. That's why saya tanya. Because 2023 they say the admits challenging. Am I right, guys? Your senior say the last SPM challenging, right? for admits, especially admits. So that's why I wanted to like discuss on it lah for the admits, because some question a bit difficult, especially the progression. The book I search it up, so it have lah, got such book lah. So anyone here have the book? Siapa ada buku tu? Soalan sebenar SPM. Not out. Oh, okay. Then it's okay lah. When it's out, if anyone buy the book, please help me to scan just the SPM actual paper for the maths and also at maths. Paper 1, paper 2. Okay? Because I will discuss with you all one. SPM 2023 must discuss. Kena tahu macam mana buat for maths and at maths. Very important because it's the most recent trend of question. You will see. Maybe it will be similar for your year. We don't know. So yeah. Okay. So any other question? I know you guys like tired, right? Am I right, guys? Since trial like so close, correct? I know you all feel like stressed a bit, right? Because like rush a bit. Mathematical modeling, right, guys? Actually, I just noticed some trial paper keluar. Kertas dua also keluar for I forget what year already, but it's between 2021 to 2023. Mathematical modeling got in paper 2. One state only, if not mistaken. That's why I scared. Maybe you all need to study that one also because state paper come out already. So I'm thinking also maybe I should teach that chapter like ringkas lah, not so in detail, but you all must know. Cannot skip the chapter because already one state come. So don't know. Yeah, but I think it is 2023 trial, if not mistaken. I think one of the state paper in 2023 came out. Guys, your teacher never teach doesn't mean it won't come out, you know. In SPM, it can come out because you never know. You cannot follow like your teacher never teach means you think it won't come out. It can still come out one. School set trial. I'm talking about actual SPM, guys, not trial. Trial still okay, but actual SPM, it has the chance to come out. Am I right? Because school teacher cannot predict that. Am I right? Because SPM is like a random thing. We don't know what can come out. So it's better to study also. Yes, just study the chapter 8 also as backup. But if they want to be like what to say, kejam to all of you, they will put it in paper 2. I don't know what section lah. Hopefully not section B, because section B they are going to ask a lot of marks there. So you must know every single detail of that chapter. Hopefully it's section A and few marks. So we don't know yet. So yeah, just study. Even your teacher never teach is okay. Just study. Since my trial 1st September, what should I be doing now for all the subject? Study your weakest subject lah. What is your weakest subject? Oh, straight A's. Then you have to study all subject. I know some of you over here for admits, you all target pass only, right? Trial. Am I right? A lot of you here over here. Or not here also. Majority of student in Malaysia, they just want pass for admits trial. Then they improve for SPM. I know lah, different people, different standard. For those that every time fail, that is the meaning I'm telling. A minus, okay lah. Okay. But A minus is 70 for your grade. But SPM will be lower. No worries on that. Just try your best lah, because it's a rush batch. Yes, but not as important as your SPM, guys. Remember that. Okay, trial, not as important as SPM. SPM is the most important one. Your final destination is SPM. Okay, so I can tell you the situation like this, guys. Okay, trial is the battle. You know, right? Battle. But SPM is the war. Which one you want to win, guys? Do you want to win the battle or do you want to win the war? Mana nak menang? Which one more precious to win? War. Am I right? You want to win the war, correct? Battle is part of the war. Okay, if you got chance, both of them lah. Both of them also you win, correct? But let's say I give you choose one. Pilih satu. Saya nak kamu pilih satu saja. Kamu pilih mana? Trial or SPM? You choose war, right? So means you choose SPM lah. So make sure your focus correct. Focus is SPM. Of course, trial important, but SPM also very important. So don't lose the focus. Jangan tinggal fokus kamu. Your main goal SPM. Okay. What you mean by risk? SPM memang will have, guys. Don't worry. You do not have any more exams. Yes, that's why I say SPM is the most important, not trials. SPM tu lah paling penting. Of course, yes, trial you can apply uni. Am I right, guys? Trial result boleh guna untuk uni, but in term of general, secara people will see the SPM result. Am I right? Not your trial result, correct? Because SPM only most people will see. Kebanyakan orang tengok SPM, bukan trial. Because SPM more precious than trial. Okay? Because it's satu Malaysia. Trial is only satu negeri. SPM satu Malaysia. Standard is satu Malaysia. So that is like Malaysia compete with the whole world. Kita nak bandingkan negara kita dengan satu dunia. So that's why SPM is very important. Negeri also got a few sets. Yes, trial also is not really negeri, you know, guys. Setiap sekolah, sometimes they will have their own trial. Am I right? So trial actually not really got their standard lah. It depends on which state you are in, mana daerah kamu, all that. Yes, even my school also last time used their own paper. So yeah, you actually cannot compare with your friends, like maybe some of your mark higher, some of your mark lower. It's not the same paper, so you cannot compare. It's not fair. Dia tak adil. That's why SPM is the main thing to compare everyone. Yes. Yes, sometimes JPN set, but depends lah. Some of it they set harder, some they set easier. Sometimes school set harder, right, guys? For those that the school set, like Shaolin. Sometimes school set very hard also, right? Am I right? Not doesn't mean JPN set is very susah, you know. Sometimes scholar set also very difficult. Yeah, it depends. Because school, they want to see how good the school can be. Am I right? With that paper. But JPN is they consider that whole daerah. So yeah, we don't want you to be too easy. What school are you in? Must be a top school one. If not, won't say like this. Oh, Catholic High School PJ. Okay, understand. That one is the top school. Am I right? Now I understand why. Okay. I know that school got standards one. So that's why your teacher say don't want you to be too easy. So you got to bear with it lah a bit. So should I do trials 2021 or 2023? Everything. If you can do everything is better. Because you don't know where they will take from. Doesn't mean they only take from the last year. They can take from last 2 year or last 3 year also can. As long KSSM format still can. Means from 2021 lah. All the questions. Yeah. So make sure you practice everything. No need. Before 2021, the standard different already. It won't be the same. Admats especially, the standard drop a lot. So yeah, don't do KBSM, KSSM only. Means you start from 2021. No need to do before that because the topic and how they ask the question is different. No lah. Guys, you all think KSSM easier? I don't think so. But people say KSSM easier. I think KSSM harder lah. KBSM easier. KSSM, you got many new topics. Syllabus change a lot. Ada banyak topik baru. So KSSM actually harder. What you mean standard drop? Standard drop means in terms of the grade lah. Yeah, thank you. Yes, because harder means the grade will drop. Oh, not difficulty. I talking about the grade. Difficulty wise, KSSM still harder. So you all are the like lab rats. You all know, right? The meaning, the experiments for the KPM. Guys, at maths, we all learn progression. Am I right? So we must progress lah. Am I right? We never learn regression in maths. Am I right? Progression means we progress, not regress. Okay? Two different things. Don't like I cannot lah. Very famous topic. Two things only you all need to know. AP, GP, that's all. Plus some K-bar questions that you need to know how to answer. So yeah, and maths, but they twist a lot. Normal lah, guys. Guys, everyone here, do you find maths hard? Can you all respond? Everyone? Is it like very headache when do maths? Each chapter maximum 2 question only, right? Of course, test every chapter, yes. Cannot escape one. Yes, everything will come out for admits. No chance to escape unless you give up that question lah. That's the only way you escape. First question, guys, you must understand admits when they ask the question, right? It doesn't mean first question is Form 4 Chapter 1. Do you all know that? They can randomly switch, First question maybe can be Form 5 Chapter 2. Second question may be Form 4 Chapter 8. It depends on them, how they want to structure the question. Don't think it's like 1, 2, 3, 4 until 15. Only section C is fixed. Others, they can switch. So don't fix your mind. Certain topics can only come here because based on last year, a lot of surprises. Some people think linear law will not come out in section C, I think, paper 1, if not mistaken. But I think it come out. Sorry, not linear law. Trigo, I think. Trigo, drawing graph. Usually paper 2, right, guys? Am I right? For Trigo, they ask you to sketch the graph. But it come out in paper 1, section C for admats last year, last SPM. Can you all imagine? Trigo, paper 1, section C. Sorry, section B, not section C. Paper 1, section B. You can choose lah. So yeah, it was a bit of a shock also. So don't like fix your mind that this topic must come out here. Don't think like that. Okay. So any other question that you want to ask? What? Oh, each chapter maximum 2 questions. Depends. Sometimes one chapter it can only come out 1 question. Sometimes one chapter can come out 2 questions because in paper 1 you got 12 topics. 15 questions. So 15 questions, maximum 15 topics lah. But it doesn't mean like that. Sometimes they might take 2 questions from the same topic. You never know. So yeah. Yes. Correct. Two questions from the same topic. How long I should study for maths and maths? Anyone here can share to Karthik how long you study for maths and maths? Maybe can help a bit.